To begin creating the chart, navigate to the Insert tab and locate the Illustrations group. From there, click the Chart button to open the Insert Chart dialog box. Inside this window, select the Bar tab to view the available bar chart styles. You will notice several design options displayed, each suited for different presentation needs. For this example, choose the first option labeled Clustered Bar and confirm the selection by clicking the OK button. Microsoft Word immediately inserts the chart type you selected into the document. Along with the chart, a spreadsheet window appears on the screen. This spreadsheet is where the chart data is stored and edited. You can replace the default values with your own data by typing directly into the cells. For this demonstration, the default data will be used, so once you are finished reviewing it, close the spreadsheet window to return to the document. Next, let's customize the position of the chart within the page. Click on a blank area. Inside the chart, then select the Layout Options icon that appears on the right side. From the available choices, select Tight under the text wrapping options and leave Move with text enabled. This setting allows the chart to flow naturally with surrounding content. You can now reposition the chart by holding down the left mouse button and dragging it to any desired location. Adjusting the size of the chart is just as straightforward. Click on any corner of the chart area and drag one of the corner handles inward or outward until the chart reaches the size that best fits your layout. Now let's edit the chart title. Click directly on the text that reads Chart Title and replace it by typing a new name. In this example, the title will be changed to Bar Chart to better reflect the displayed data. To add or remove chart elements such as data labels, the legend, axes, or other features, click on a blank space within the chart and select the Chart Elements button on the right. Checking. The Data Labels option will immediately display values directly on the chart. You can also modify the overall design and color scheme. Click a blank area of the chart, then go to the Chart Design tab and locate the Chart Styles section. Use the drop-down arrow to preview different visual styles. To adjust colors, remain in the Chart Design tab, select Change Colors, and choose a palette that suits your document. Finally, remember that charts in Word are dynamic. If the data changes, the chart updates automatically. If the spreadsheet is closed, you can reopen it by selecting the chart, going to the Chart Design tab, and clicking Edit Data. After modifying a value, such as changing a number in the table, the chart instantly reflects the update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.